Hey guys, today I'll be going for home cooked meals. Alright, so today I'll be having binagoongan na napakasarap kasi luto to ng misis ko. Okay. So, masarap magluto ng misis ko kaya ako tumataba. Okay. Ayan, so my sugar is 100. Okay, so medyo goods tayo ngayon. So, tikman natin and then tingnan natin kung ano magiging resulta after 1 hour. Okay? The best. It's been an hour and let's check what happened. $104. Okay na, healthy ah. Well, that's it. So, sarap ang lutong bahay.